Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on OPPO K13x. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox, then click search and click install. Now you can click open, and here click continue, then click cancel, and now you can click not now. Here you can sign into your Firefox account, or you can click not now. Now you can turn on notifications, or you can click not now again, and here you can select your theme, or you can click save and continue again. Now you can pick your toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.